Now that we have our catchment grid, one thing that might be really useful is if we could know something about the area of each of these catchments. Now we could probably figure it out by just going into the attribute table and doing some math and counting all of this stuff up. And there's actually a much easier way to do this versus taking the dimension of each cell and determining that area and then multiplying it times this. That is turning these catchment grids into a polygon. And there is a tool to do that. So I'm going to go back into my model builder, and I'm just going to pan more over towards the right side here and look for my Catchment Polygon processing tool. And I'm going to connect my catchment grid and then open this and make sure it goes into my geodatabase. Organize this a little bit better here. I'm going to right click on the tool and choose run. It only takes one input, so it's just turning that polygon or that raster into a polygon, as we can see here in our results. So let me drag and drop that into my hydrology group here. So we can now begin to see how these areas delineated. I'm going to right click on this and choose open attribute table. And now we have our shape areas. This is actually in square feet, so you don't have to do any math. You can also know the perimeter lengths as well of each of these little catchments here. So there's quite a few catchments. So this is how you create a catchment polygon.